Hey, Rachel.
Hey, Christian.
What about that open house?
It was so much fun.
Yes, it was.
I'm pretty sure my ears are still ringing from the gong ringing.
You've been to open house. What's next? First things first, let's connect with your counselor. You got questions about admissions, anything of that nature, we're happy to help. Secondly, if you want to chat specifically about financial aid, you're more than welcome to set up an appointment with your counselor via phone, or you can even meet with someone in person in the Chicagoland area.
We encourage you to connect with future classmates, either on our Class of 2024 Facebook page, or if you want to connect with some of our current students, our Augie Bound Live Q&A on YouTubes are happening once a month. You can find the links either on Facebook or check your emails. We also encourage you to come back to campus. It Begins with A is a fabulous event, but we're also having some local Chicagoland admitted student events coming up as well. Check your emails or the website. We hope to see you soon, Class of 2024.